Thank you for watching this day in the life vlog. We are back in Hawaii and each of us are going to be sharing our favorite things to do here over this month. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any of those videos. But today is Presley's day to show you some of her favorite things to do here on Oahu. First, we're going to have her favorite waffles for breakfast and then get ready and we'll show you some of her favorite things to do.
Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this.
She loves going into town to get donuts from Donut King and the smoothies from Morning Brew. I also love their lattes. Then we are headed home for some outdoor playtime. Probably one of the things we miss most when we're in Ohio. Presley and I both love doing crafts and DIYs, and lately we've been loving making the MGA's Miniverse Make It Mini collectibles. And a big thank you to MGA Entertainment for sponsoring today's video. Let's dive in. MGA's Miniverse Make It Mini series is the original and first ever Make It Mini collectible line. Oh my gosh, these are all so cute. I want to make them all. It is always so fun to unbox them and see what surprises inside. Then you can actually make the minis. So today's first creation is ice cream cones. It's such a fun little DIY. All of the minis are fully functional mini pieces you can actually make. And these were the perfect size to pack in the suitcase for a fun little vacation DIY. And she was so happy making these. It made my mama heart so happy too.
I want to make more.
We were warned not to open another one.
Miniverse made me do it.
Now let's unbox the second one to see what's inside. Ooh, the second creation is orange and pink cotton candy, and it is absolutely adorable.
Cotton candy.
But there are so many other cute mini collectibles. We will definitely be getting more. They are just so cute and fun to create.
No cotton candy. I'm gonna say I like that one the best. Seriously, these are so cute.
And we had to do one more. This Make It Mini makeup had DIY mini nail polish. It was so fun to mix it up and make each bottle. And there was something so satisfying about making these, mixing everything up. Okay. It's real. That's so cool. And we were saying these are the perfect size for in Presley's dollhouse as well. So cute.
Lighter shade.
They're all so cute.
I know. I could literally just use these to paint my nails. Just pretend to pretend to do. Also, I really like the little sprinkles. It's so cute.
So if you're looking for a fun and easy creative activity for your kids this summer, look no further than MGA's Miniverse Make It Mini collectibles. We had such a fun time making these together.
This was so much fun. They are so cute and I want to get more.
Shop MGA's Miniverse via the links in my description box. And thank you again to MGA Entertainment for sponsoring today's vlog. It is already lunchtime, so I'm going to be making the kids just some chicken nuggets and french fries, you know, typical kid meal staple. You're going to eat 7 nuggets? You're hungry.
These fries are so good. Thanks, Mom, for making them.
You're welcome, baby. Milk mustache.
Milk mustache. I was just thinking that in my head. Mind reader.
I'm gonna head out to the pool for a little bit. In the pool, Presley loves to do flips.
It's been a long, hard season. I'm feeling weary to my bone.
She also loves to try to balance on the boogie board, practicing that balance for her surfing. She does have surf camp coming up next week, which she is absolutely stoked about. And I'm honestly really jealous. I want to have an adult surf camp. It is such a beautiful day. Up there is the Pillbox hike. That's one of Presley's favorite hikes.
No vacation's been more heaven since. Between the sun and the deep blue sea. Tan and red, flat out on a beach bed. Between the sun and the deep blue sea. My feet in the sand, green umbrella drink in my hand.
It seriously is just the most perfect day.
Mommy!
Yeah?
Hello.
Where?
Oh my.
The right? Where?
To the right.
Oh. Hi! Oh my gosh! Stop! I'm gonna cry. No way.
Tan and red, flat out on a beach bed. Between the sun and the deep blue sea. My feet in the sand, green umbrella drink in my hand.
Kenzie got a little flower for me on the ground. So pretty. Smells so good too.
Between the sun and the deep blue sea.
All right, and for dinner, macaroni and cheese, peas, and I'm making a taco bowl. So making the base some lettuce, adding in shredded chicken, and some taco seasoning, and some black beans, some diced tomatoes with chili, taco cheese, and some sour cream. And then I have the siete taco chips. I like the ones that have the lime flavor, and I just kind of dip these in to the bowl, but eat the rest with a fork.
There's hard here.
This is really good.
There's side here, Brandon.
What?
It's just side here.
What are we doing?
We're going on the big mountain hike up there.
Doing the Lanikai Pillbox hike. Need a little after dinner activity, so we're gonna be climbing that mountain.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, like with no distractions. We'll get away, this is
Let's
what
do
we
this.
waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow.
Good little hiker.
We can't
It's not a hike for the weak, so don't come unless you're an experienced hiker, please.
lights out, down with my own doubt. Be free with me.
Windy up here too. Also should point out, you can hear me with the wind, do not attempt this hike if it's rained at all. It's just a mudslide.
Oh, Lana?
Wait till it's nice and dry.
I almost lost your hat.
I did, it blew down. It's windy. Okay, we're about halfway there. Still gotta go on that to that pillbox up there. Go up all this. She's a runner. That box. We're standing on up there. Oh my gosh, looks like heaven.
So up here on this mountain today, okay, I have to say a secret.
Huh.
I love this more than cupcakes.
I love you more than cupcakes. We're almost there. Woo! Get it, girl. Yeah, it is down there. Did it.
Be free with me. Yeah.
We're gonna go to Frosty's to get some ice cream after that big mountain hike.
She's a real island girl. What'd you get?
I got ice cream.
Let me see. That looks so good. So what'd you put in it?
I got vanilla chocolate chips and then sprinkles.
Yum.